Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to install Deepseek and how to run it locally via your desktop. So if you're not aware, you can actually download Deepseek on your mobile phone through Google Play. But if you want to use it on your computer, then definitely it's possible through GitHub. So GitHub is a third-party application that you can use to download the application. Let's go down here. So go to this site, github.com slash doxdk slash deepseek dot dash desktop. Scroll down from here and then just click on the download DeepSeek for desktop. From there on, once it's finished, we want to run the file. More info and just click run anyway. Then from there, it's already been installed. So there will be risk, of course, when it comes to in terms of your security, since this was downloaded in a third party. But yeah, you can just sign in with your email or whatever it is you're using, and then from there on, you can already start using DeepSeek. So it's already to check if we have already installed it here on our computer. There it is, DeepSeek. So just log into your account and then start chatting with the AI. That's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.